Hey, if you are wondering how you can recognize case of AirPods Pro 3 comparing to the second and the first generation, let me quickly show you. This is the case of AirPods Pro 3, and the first difference is just over here with LED indicator. As you can see on the first generation and second, this is the first generation and the second generation, we can find this LED light over here. This is the small cutout. When you scratch it with your fingernail, you can feel something over here on that structure. In this case, in the third generation, this LED is actually under that plastic part. This is the first difference. The another one, when you rotate cases, the second and the third generation looks the same. But when you take a look on the first generation, they doesn't have actually this speaker and this another microphone. When you take a look on the right side, second generation and third generation looks the same. We got this attachment over here. On the back, there's another difference between second generation and third generation. On the second generation, we got pairing button. On the third generation, there is no pairing button because it's available over here under this LED light. And it's a touching area where you have to tap on it to enter for the pairing mode. And when you take a look inside, it looks almost the same. If we try to replace buds, then as you can see, it's not gonna work. The AirPods Pro third generation, not gonna fit here, but you can actually input AirPods Pro second generation into the case of AirPods Pro third generation, but it doesn't actually allows you to close the case. And yeah, that's basically it.